Problem based on ages. One more sum. Father ages 3 times the sum of his two children's age. After 5 years, his age will be twice the sum of ages of two children. Find the ages of father. So here what we have to take, father age is equal to x years, sum of the ages of the children, two children, sum of the ages is y I am taking. I don't know what is the individual age of the children, that's why I am taking sum of the ages is y. According to the condition, father age is 3 times the sum of two children's age. So that is x is equal to 3 times the sum of the ages. So 3y, x is equal to 3y. Bring this 3y that side. X minus 3y is equal to 0. This is first equation. Okay. What is the second condition they given? After 5 years, his age will be, that means the father age will be twice the sum of the ages of two children. Actually, there are two children. So after 5 years means for father also 5 years will increase. Two children's ages also 5 years will increase. Individually 5 years will increase. Okay. So here we have to think a little bit. So after 5 years, what will be the father age? X plus 5. Correct? Okay. So y is nothing but the sum of the children's age before 5 years. So now currently individually 5 years, so totally 10 years will increase in this age, correct? So that is y plus 10, that is children age. But actually according to the question, after 5 years what they given? After 5 years his age will be twice the sum of the ages of two children. So twice, 2 times of y plus 10. So that is 2y plus 20. Here x plus 5. 2y you bring this side. So x minus 2y is equal to 5. You bring this side. 15. 20 minus 5. This is second equation. So you know how to solve these two linear equations. Use any one of the method and solve these two. You can get the x value and y value. X is nothing but father age. That only they are asking. Similarly, see one more problem. 5 years hence father age will be 3 times the ages of his son. 5 years ago the father age was 7 times as old as his son. Find the present ages. So 5 years hence father age will be 3 times as the 3 times the age of his son they given. So here what I am taking, father present age is x, son's present age is y I am taking. So 5 years hence means what is that? After 5 years. So x plus 5. Father age will increase 5 years. So x plus 5. That father age is equal to 3 times. So 3 into 5 years. After 5 years the son's age will be y plus 5. That's why y plus 5. Do you understand this? Read the question once again. 5 years hence the father age will be 3 times the ages of his son. So after 5 years the son age will be y plus 5. So 3 times y plus 5. So multiply this 3y plus 15. Bring this 3y this side. So what you will get? X minus 3y is equal to 10. This is first equation. From the first condition I am getting first equation. What is the second condition? 5 years ago. So before 5 years the father age was 7 times as old as his son. So before 5 years means x minus 5 is equal to 7 times. What was the son's present 5 years ago age? That is y minus 5. So 7 times son's age y minus 5. Multiply this 7y minus 35. Bring this 7y this side. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. Bring this minus 5 this side plus 5. So this becomes minus 30, the second equation. Solve these two, you can get x and y. That means present age of son, present age of father. Now father age is x, son's age is y. We can get these two.